Oh my god, I just booked my flight to Bali. It's the 20th of September and I just booked my flight to Bali, which means my travel's actually legit now. And now I can start planning. Oh my god. Okay everyone. I need a game plan. It is the 15th of October and it's Tuesday, which means that it's exactly 1 week till I leave to go to Bali and then to Australia. So basically just 1 week until I'm gone from home for 8 months. And I'm kind of home for 2.5 days, then gone for 2 days, home for 3 days, and then I leave. So I have about 5 days, but realistically 2 days because the weekend is family time, which means I don't want to be doing too much packing. So realistically I have 2 days, today and tomorrow, to get everything sorted. And am I feeling optimistic? Definitely, I'm always optimistic. But am I feeling stressed? Just a tad maybe. So yeah, first things first is we're gonna write a fat to-do list and then we're just gonna go one by one and we're just gonna tick off everything that's on it and just stay calm and just have fun with it, because there's nothing worse than being stressed and not having fun planning or packing for something that is gonna be absolutely epic. So I'm gonna start packing, which I'm excited for, and I hope it's gonna be a quick and fun process. So to make it more fun, let's play some music and let's get packing. Hi, it's already Sunday. No, it's not Sunday, it's Saturday, which means I have Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday I fly. And I'm just packing with my brother, and we're just kind of trying to figure out what to bring, what to send to Australia. So the plan right now is that I basically pack a bag to bring to Bali, and which I'm able to like backpack with for 3 weeks. And then I'm going to Australia, and I'm just going to send a load more clothes to Australia, because I'm there for 5 months and I have nice clothes and there's no need to buy more clothes there, but I don't want to live out of like 3 weeks worth of clothes for 5 months. So I have one pile of things I'm taking to Bali and then one pile that I'm sending to Australia, and yeah, maybe I'll slip in a few German snacks to go with it so that I have German food in Australia. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. And I've also realised that most of my luggage space is just taken up by like electronics. I have my camera, I have my GoPro, I have like all the cables I need for it, power banks, SD cards. So technically the clothes aren't even the problem. But that's all luxury problems, so I'm gonna stop complaining. Yeah, but it's going really well and I think I have a good selection of clothes, and I definitely don't have too many either. So all good so far. Hey guys, so it is the next day. The plan is to keep going through my list, and the first thing that's up is I have a hairdresser's appointment in like half an hour, and then I'm going to go into town with my mum and actually get the presents that I'm going to bring to my au pair family in Australia. And because I'm going to Bali for 3 weeks before I see my family, it's going to be something small, so I'm still trying to figure out what I can get them. And then what else do I need to do? I just need to keep packing and keep organising. I actually phoned with a friend yesterday and we kind of figured out what my first stop in Bali is going to be, which is really good because I had absolutely no plan of where I was going to go. So I kind of have that through. For my 3rd week in Bali, I'm travelling with a group, but I'm going to explain more of that when it gets to that. But I printed out our route and I kind of like wrote around where we're going and stuff. So I know where I'm doing my 3rd week, and then it's just about my 2 weeks before the group trip. Let's go to the hairdressers and I'll probably see you after. Okay, we're back from town and this is everything I got. Let me quickly show you. Okay, so first of all, for the like week in Bali where I'm traveling with the group, I just got Lebkuchen, which is like this classic German Christmas kind of treat that you have. And then for my au pair family, I also got them, but this is a bigger pack. So for people that aren't German or don't know what Lebkuchen is, it's basically this like, oh, how do you even describe it? It's like this nutty mixture. It's got, usually it has like
hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, chocolate and flour and stuff like that, and it's just like this like mixture. And then it's coated with, first of all, like this like kind of edible paper kind of thing, and then it's either got a sugar coating or a chocolate coating. And oh, it's also kind of like gingerbready. So that's what this is, and it's like just like a classic German thing, so I thought it would be good to bring that. And then otherwise I just got a bunch of like travel necessities to take on my trip. Insect repellent, hairbands, cough sweets, all of that jazz, not important for the vlog. But yeah, so I'd say that was a successful trip into town. And I'll update you when I do something else packing wise. It is Monday the 21st of October, which means it's my last day. Tomorrow I fly to Bali, and right now I'm booking my flight from Bali to Australia because I haven't done it yet and I want to have it booked before I leave so that I don't need to think about it when I'm in Bali. So that's what me and my mum are doing right now. I'm booking my flight from Bali to Australia. It's already the day before I leave. It's Monday the 21st of October and it's already nearly 7 o'clock in the evening. It's already getting dark outside, and this is what my packing state looks like right now. So I have packed and I have everything, kind of, but I just need to put it in my bag, which I have not done. And if I'm gonna be honest, I'm getting a bit stressed. So today I was just getting like last minute things from town with my mum, and I was just enjoying the last day being home, to be honest. Okay, I've got myself some reinforcement and now we're gonna finally pack everything together.
That's it?
Well, that's a good start if you're saying that's it. I feel like it looks like for a lot.
I think it's cool. What a cool selection. Let's do this.
It is now 8 o'clock and we have everything that I need, and now it's just time to put it into the bag for the first time and just fingers crossed that it fits. And I'm also really surprised how last year I was able to pack for Costa Rica for so well, because flashback to that. This is all I'm bringing for 5 months of traveling. That was crazy. I didn't bring anything, it feels like, and now I'm just packing for 3 weeks and I've got so much more. So let's see if it all fits in the bag and then we'll discuss the next game plan. Wow, this is so good. I thought whilst packing this I'm going to have a lot of trouble fitting this all in, and I thought it was going to be jam-packed before I even put in any shoes, but I know it looks full, but also look how much space there is. Like, that's a lot of space. Time for my carry-on bag. My cables and everything I need to edit. Playing cards and journal. My iPad. My headphones. Ta-da! Okay, evening update. It's now 11 o'clock at night and I'm not in bed yet, if you can't tell. So, we had a bit of trouble with my flights because, well, not with my flights, but with my seats, because I'd booked through like a travel agency and the paid seats had not gone through to the airline, which meant I had to buy new seats and refund the ones I'd already bought. Anyway, it's all worked out now, but now it's a bit later and I still have all of my snacks I need to pack. Oh my goodness. It's 1:32 in the morning and I'm about to go to bed. Oh my god. I have my stuff packed and everything, and now I need to go to bed. Tomorrow I'm waking up at 7 and then we leave at 8:30 to go to the airport, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not actually nervous to like go to Bali. I think I'm starting to get a bit nervous about is the fact that I don't really know where I'm going first, and hence I have not booked a hostel yet. But I'm either going to do that when I get there or tomorrow at the airport. I don't know, to be honest. I have to
places in mind, either Canggu or Uluwatu. So I just need to decide where to go and then book a hostel. But for now, it's time to go to bed. But yeah, today was kind of like it wasn't stressful, but it was like I felt kind of uneven the whole day. Like I felt like I had so many things I still needed to do. I felt like I wanted it to be like a perfect last day, and I don't know, I feel like that kind of all stressed me out a bit, but kind of unconsciously. Like I wasn't actually stressed, but I was just uneven, yeah, as I just said. But I'm very grateful that my mum was here and that my mum was able to support me through the whole day. Thank you, Mum, if you're watching this. I love you so much. And it's just great to have a supportive family, and I'm very grateful. I'm feeling good and excited. See you tomorrow.
Okay, I'm with all of my bags and we're heading out the door. Let's go. Let's go. Just realised I don't have my passport yet, so I'm gonna go get the passport real quick. Important stuff. Bye-bye house for 8 months or something. I wasn't gone for this long last time. Okay, got all my stuff, and now we're gonna go to the gate. So I just booked my hostel for the first 2 nights, and I'm gonna head to Uluwatu first. And I called with my brother, he was in Bali, and he gave me some last minute tips. Now all I have to do is actually fly to Bali. So yeah. How are you feeling, Mum?
Oh, I'm feeling excited for you. I can see you already in Bali, sitting there by the beach, having a cute drink in your hand and chatting to people, planning where you're gonna go next. So I'm all in for you for it.
I've checked in, I've got my boarding pass, and now we're heading to the gates. There they are. So now it's starting time to say goodbye. Oh,
That does feel strange now.
but we're seeing each other for Christmas, so it's like a good split for my long travel, which is great.
Yes, totally great.
I've nearly made it to my gate, it's just down there somewhere, and my flight is in about an hour, so I have a good amount of time to just chill and wait till my flight goes.
Like rum on a fire, hard and fast and angry as she.
Okay, it's time to board the plane. The first flight is only like 5 hours, so that should be absolutely fine. But here we are.
Looks ugly, but it's clean. Oh mama, don't fuss over me. The way she tells me I'm hers and she's mine. Open hand or closed fist, oh it'd be fine. The blood is rare and sweet as cherry wine.
Okay, first flight is done. I've landed in Abu Dhabi. The flight was like 6 hours kind of. And now I'm currently on my way to my second flight, but I have 2 hours till I board, so absolutely fine. And yeah, it was a really good flight. I just watched 2 movies and that was basically it. And now the next flight is going to be 9 hours and I'm probably going to sleep, but I'll chat more to you in a second once I've made it to my gate.
That she's not around most of the time. The way she tells me I'm hers and she's mine.
Okie dokie. Okay, I've picked out a quiet space. The gate for Bali is like, it feels like a lounge, like it's like a separated area just for the people going on this flight, which I've never experienced before, so that's pretty cool. So I wanted to quickly wait. Okay, there might be some beeping in the background because I'm at an airport, but I'm sorry if that's annoying. So before I get on this flight, I wanted to quickly share my feelings because I'm not nervous at all. And I'm kind of just like, yeah, I'm going to Bali. So I just feel like I need to actually think about my thoughts for a second and gather them, because if I'm going to be honest, the last few days have been like kind of stressing me out, but not like I'm used to, like it was like unconscious stress. Like I was just like in the back of my mind I was like, I'm going traveling, but I wasn't actually stressed. I don't know how to describe it, but I just kind of felt unbalanced the whole last few days. And then yesterday I packed my stuff and everything was coming so quickly, like packing my things, and suddenly it was 7 o'clock at night and I was like, oh my god, because I wanted to go to bed early because I had to get up at 7. And everything just came so quickly. It came like a surprise, although it definitely wasn't a surprise that I'm flying to Bali. But anyway, that happened. But now I'm here and the first flight went really well. I'm really chilled. The difference to this traveling and to flying to Costa Rica was that this is my second time. I'm going solo for the second time, and it's just like, I don't know, I'm just way more relaxed and I'm excited, but I don't have like the nervous excited that I had when I went to Costa Rica, but I also don't have that like 100% fire to like go traveling. But I know as soon as I'm gonna land and as soon as I'm at my hostel and I've met people, I'm gonna be like really happy that I've done it. And I kind of feel bad because I feel like I'm not being grateful enough because I'm not like really excited to go traveling. But I am grateful, like I'm really, really grateful. And I don't know, maybe I'm just more chilled now, but that's just something that I realise. It's just not that fun, if I'm honest. Like I'm flying to Bali and I have this really cool adventure ahead of me. And flying's good, but it's just not as fun. Like I don't have a person I can chat with, I don't have a person I can laugh it off with. It's just, yeah, I'm heading to Bali and I'm walking through the airport and it's all working out, but I'm just not having as much fun as I would if I'd have a travel buddy. So yeah, I have confidence in myself and I know it's going to be a great trip, but fingers crossed I get to meet people as quickly as possible. One thing that I have done to make it easier, or to just kind of be certain that I'm gonna have people, is that I've booked a hostel where they have family dinners every single night, which means I land at 11:35, like in the morning, afternoon, whatever. And if I don't find people during the day, then I definitely know that I have a group of people that I'm coming to in the evening, because everyone at the hostel is having dinner together. So I think that's a really good thing, and I'm excited for that. The only thing in my mind is, fingers crossed, I find people. Not that I doubt that I'm going to find people, but I don't know, I just want to find people as quickly as possible to make this travelling even more fun. But yeah, off we go to Bali. Okay, I'm boarding for the second flight. And I'm actually getting a bit nervous now. I have not been nervous for the past months, and now I'm getting a bit nervous to land and to have the same experience as in Costa Rica. But I feel like it's going to be a lot better and it's going to be a good flight.
The sweetest cherry wine. Fight and furies fiery.
It's so hot!
Sweet to the freezing. Because when I